Hello students, let's go to the sums of this parallelogram. Diagonals of a parallelogram W, X, Y, Z intersects each other at point O. If angle XYZ is 135 degrees, then if length OY equal to 5 centimeter, we have to find out angle YZ, W also, and length WZB, WYB. So we'll draw a parallelogram. Very simple. पैरेललोग्राम का नाम है WX YZ. Diagonals meet at O. These two diagonals meet at O. Measure of angle XYZ. This angle is given. XYZ angle is given 135. 35 degrees. And length of OY. This length OY equal to 5 centimeters. This is the equal. हमको चाहिए लेंथ WY. लेंथ WY. वो पहले करेंगे. उसके पहले चाहिए तो ये एंगल YZW. YZW. ये 135 है. We know that these two are parallel lines. Therefore, angle YZW plus angle ये क्या दिया WXYZ equal to 180 degrees. This angle plus this angle equal to 180 degrees. कारण क्या है? Co-interior angles. Because lines are parallel, so we'll say that W is parallel to XY. उसके कारण this angle plus this angle. XYZ is 135. Angle YZW plus 135 equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle YZW equal to 180 minus 135 is 45 degrees. This angle will be 45. N terms x plus this equal to 180. Therefore, this is 45. Now OY equal to 5. WY चाहिए. WY equal to what? We know diagonals bisect each other. As diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, OY equal to OW. OY 5 है तो OW is also 5. Therefore, WY is equal to 5 plus 5. 10. Okay. Now we go to the next sum. In a parallelogram ABCD, angle A is equal to R. There is a parallelogram A, B, C, D. Angle A is equal to 3x plus 2y. And angle B is equal to 2x minus 30. So find the measure of angle C and angle A. First we will find out how much is x. We know that angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degrees, co-interior angles. They are supplementary. We write here co-interior angles. Or you can say adjacent angles are always supplementary. adjacent angles are supplementary. This plus this equal to 180, this plus this equal to 180, this plus this equal to 180. Therefore 3x plus 2y plus 2x minus 32 equal to 180. 3x plus 2x equal to 5x plus 3x plus 2y है क्या? 3x plus एंगल 3x plus 2y नहीं है, 12 है. 3x plus 12 वो 3x plus 12 है. 3x plus 12 plus 2x minus 32 equal to 180. 3x plus 5x 2x equal to 5x plus 12 minus 32 equal to minus 20 equal to 180. Therefore 5x is equal to 180 plus 20 equal to 200. Therefore x is equal to 200 upon 5 equal to 40. What is the x का value मिल गया. Therefore angle A is equal to 3 into 40 plus 12. 3 into 40 is 120 plus 12 is 130 degrees. A मिल गया 132 degrees. And B मिलेगा अपने को. Angle B is equal to 2x 2 into 40 minus 32 equal to 120 minus 32. कितना होता है? 80. 80. Angle A into 3 into angle B is equal to 2 minus 32. 120 minus 32. इसमें सब में हाँ to find angle B का value 2x minus 32. 2 into 40 minus 32 equal to 80 minus 32 equal to 48. तो ये मिल गया अपने को 48 डिग्रीज. ये मिल गया अपने को कितना मिला? एंगल A 130. Now this will be 132. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. ये 132 है तो ये भी 132 होना चाहिए. 120 नहीं है. अगर ये 40 है तो ये भी ये 40 नहीं है 48 है तो ये भी 48 होगा इधर. The final answer is angle C equal to, they asked what is angle C. Angle C is equal to 132 degrees and angle B is equal to 48 degrees. एकदम simple sir. Alright, we write more sums on this. Right. So these are very simple. मराठी में क्या बोलते हैं? अगदी सरल है. तो दो पैरेललोग्राम बनाएंगे हम लोग. एक इधर के लिए एक इधर के लिए भी एक पैरेललोग्राम बनाएंगे. दिस पैरेललोग्राम फॉर दिस पैरेललोग्राम. इसको कुछ नाम दे देंगे हम लोग. ए बी सी डी. ए बी इज द शॉर्टर साइड and BC is larger side. Let AB is shorter side and BC equal to larger side. We will name shorter side as X. Let AB equal to X. Therefore larger side क्या है? The larger side is greater than the shorter side by 25 cm. और ये x है तो x plus 25 होगा. We know that opposite sides are congruent in a parallelogram. अगर x है तो ये भी x रहेगा, इधर x plus 25 है तो ये भी x plus 25. So therefore largest side equal to x plus 25. सेंटीमीटर में कर दिया तो सेंटीमीटर लिखो. There be centimeter. Right. Now लास्ट में आंसर में हम लोग सेंटीमीटर लिखेंगे. अभी हम लोग सिर्फ x plus 25 ऐसा लिखेंगे. पेरीमीटर equal to x plus x plus x plus 25 plus x plus 2 times x plus 2 times x plus 25. 2 times x plus 25, 2 times x equal to 2x plus 2x plus 50. ये दिया है, पेरीमीटर दिया है, कितना दिया है? 150. So 4x plus 50 equal to 150. Therefore 4x is equal to 100. Therefore x is equal to 100 upon 4 is 20. x का वैल्यू मिल गया 100. नहीं, x का वैल्यू मिल गया 20. Now this is AB. AB equal to BC equal to x. This is x, this is x equal to 25. उसके बाद AD equal to BC equal to x plus 25 equal to 25 plus 25 equal to 50. So this will be 50 and this also 50. 50 plus 50, 100 plus 25 plus 25, 150. So all sides we have got. Let's go to the next sum. Very, very simple sum. Yes, sir. With the ratio of the measures of the two adjacent angles, let's write it as PQRS. Ratios of the measure of two adjacent angles is 1:2. So angle Q and angle R. Angle Q is to angle R. They are adjacent angles equal to 1:2. Therefore, measure of angle Q equal to 1x. Measure of angle R is equal to 2x. This is 1x. This will be 2x. Now we know that this and this are total sum is equal to 180 degrees. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Angle Q plus angle R equal to 180 degrees. You write adjacent angles of parallelogram. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Therefore, x plus 2x is equal to 180. Therefore, 3x is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 60 degrees. X का value मिल गया 60 degree. Find the measures or angles of the parallelogram. Therefore, this x is equal to 60 degrees. This is equal to 120 degrees. 60 into 2 is 120. This will be 120 opposite angles. This will be 60. So 120 plus 120, 240. 240 plus 60, 300. 300 plus 60, 360. Sum of the angles of a quadrilateral 360. See, we will always check our answers by my method. देखो इधर sum of the angles is 360. हमको measure मिला 60, 120, 60, 120. हम लोग check करते हैं हमारा answer. 60 plus 120, 180 plus 60, 240 plus 120 equal to 60. Our answer is एकदम correct. Therefore, angle P equal to 120 degrees, angle Q equal to 60 degrees, angle R is equal to 120 degrees. degrees angle S is equal to 60. And that's what they want, and that's what we found. लिख लो जल्दी नोटबुक पेंसिल लेके लिखो. Okay, let's see this. Diagonals of the parallelogram intersect each other at point O. So parallelogram of the parallelogram. Let us name it as ABCD. C, D. Diagonals. They intersect at O. If AO equal to 5 and BO equal to 12 दिखता है मेरे को सेकंड वाला 12. AO is equal to 5 and BO equal to 12. This is 12. AO equal to 5 and BO equal to 12. And AB equal to 13. This is 13. They show that ABC is a rhombus. This is about the rhombus. Rhombus का speciality क्या है? All sides are congruent. In my another lecture, you will see what is a rhombus. Rhombus बोलेगा तो all sides are congruent. This is congruent to this, congruent to this, congruent to this. ABCD is a rhombus. Now, in a rhombus, speciality of the rhombus is that they are bisectors of each other as well as they are perpendiculars of each other. Diagonals are perpendicular bisector, मतलब this angle is 90 degrees. Yes, 13, 12, 5. 12 square plus 5 square equal to 13 square. बराबर 90 degrees. Show that ABC is the rhombus. They want us to show that it's a rhombus. They are not given this angle is 90. If I want to show, they want us to show that this is the rhombus. अभी अपने को मालूम नहीं है क्या है. They said it's a parallelogram. Rhombus है प्रूव करने के लिए हमको करना पड़ेगा all sides are congruent. Now we will take 5, 12 and 13. Three sides of this triangle. 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 169. Therefore, and 13 square is equal to 169. Therefore, 5 square plus 12 square equal to 13 square. Therefore, this angle is 90 degrees. Diagonals are parallelogram बोला है. This angle parallelogram. If angle is equal to 90 degrees, diagonals are perpendicular to each other, then it is a rhombus. Diagonals are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. और एक मेथड है इसमें, ये 90 degrees प्रूव किया. Therefore, in this parallelogram, if the diagonals are always bisector and if it is perpendicular, it becomes a rhombus. That's one thing. Second thing is, there's a lengthy method, but that I will show also here. इधर भी 5 है and parallelogram है तो इधर भी 13 रहेगा, इधर भी 12 रहेगा. Now इधर भी बोल सकते हैं 5 square plus 12 square equal to 13 square. Therefore, this side is also 13. Now इधर भी बोल सकते हैं 5 square plus 12 square कितना आएगा? This is also 90 degrees. 5 square plus 12 square equal to 169. Square root of that is 13. So इधर भी 13 हो गया. इधर भी बोल सकता है 12 square plus 5 square equal 169, square root is 13, therefore all sides are congruent, it is the wrong one. ऐसा भी बोल सकता है. Otherwise you can say already ABCD is a parallelogram and the diagonals are perpendicular as well as bisector, because parallelogram में bisector होता ही है. और ये 90 degrees भी प्रूव किया हम लोग by triplet, this triplet, पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट हो जाते हैं. पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट के हिसाब से 13 प्रूव किया. अगर ये परपेंडिकुलर है तो ये 13 है, तो ये 90 डिग्री से तो रोम्बस है. ये हो गया. नेक्स्ट क्या है? पी क्यू आर एस ए बी सी आर. थोड़ा सा मैं इसको एडजस्ट कर A, B, C are parallelograms. This is a parallelogram. This is another parallelogram. A parallelogram inside another parallelogram. Find the measures of odd angles. This is a parallelogram inside this parallelogram. Find the measure of. First of all, quadrilateral PQRS is parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. Therefore, angle P congruent to angle R equal to 110 degrees. Opposite angles. Now, ABC आता है. ये 110 मिला. इसका बाकी हमको जरूरी. This 110 मिला. Opposite sides of the बड़ा पैरेललोग्राम का opposite side angles are कौन? अभी ये 110 है, पैरेललोग्राम है, तो angle A will be 70 degrees. We write here quadrilateral ABCR is parallelogram. Therefore, angle A plus angle R equal to 180 degrees. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are congruent. Therefore, angle A is, so angle A plus 110 is equal to 180. Therefore, angle A is equal to 70. This is 70. Angle A congruent to angle C equal to 70. Opposite angles. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. This is 70, this is also 70. And angle R congruent to angle B equal to 110. Again, opposite angles. Here we go. Right. Okay. The angle ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. And AB is extended to this, such that AB is congruent to B. This is congruent to this. ऐसा extend किया, ऐसा extend किया. उसके बाद DE ज्वाइन किया, मीटिंग BC at F. इसको ज्वाइन किया, मीटिंग here at F. क्या किया? ABCD is a parallelogram. AB को extend किया, such that AB is congruent to B. उसके बाद join DE. DE ज्वाइन किया, ED ज्वाइन किया. That line bisect BC at F. That means हम लोग को प्रूव करना है BF is equal to FC. To prove that BF equal to FC, मतलब bisector है. This F bisect BC. Bisector मतलब this is equal to this. वही प्रूव करना है. So let us prove it. Given quadrilateral ABCD is parallelogram and AB congruent to BE. That is also given. AB उसके बाद टू प्रूव क्या प्रूव करना है? दिस डी यदि ईडी बाइसेक्ट बीसी एट ईडी दैट दिस लाइन ईडी bisects BC at F, that is IE. To prove that BF equal to FC. बोलना BF वो प्रूव करना है। अभी प्रूफ चालू करेंगे। प्रूफ इन ट्रायंगल और दिस साइड से ए बी कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू डी सी बनेंगे। ए बी कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू डी सी। कारण क्या है? opposite sides of parallel. One हो गया, that is statement number 1. This is congruent to this. उसके बाद AB congruent to BE. AB congruent to BE. Given. They are given that AB congruent to B given. So from 1 and 2, this is congruent to this and this is congruent to this. Therefore, this is congruent to this. Therefore, DC congruent to BE from 1 and this is congruent. Angle BFE congruent. Angle BFE congruent to angle CFD. कारण क्या है? BFE congruent to this. They are vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles. उसके बाद we have this is congruent to this and this is congruent to this. उसके बाद angle FBE this angle is congruent to this angle. FBE congruent to FCD. FCD. Alternate angles. देखो Z shape है ना ये this is parallel to this and this is the transversal. इसका Z shape है तो this angle is equal to this. Alternate angles. Therefore triangle कौन सा ट्राइंगल है? ट्राइंगल DCF. Triangle DCF congruent to triangle EBF. By which test? Angle, side test. Angle, side test. By angle, side test. AS. Test. These two triangles are congruent by angle, side test. This triangle and this triangle are congruent. Angle, side, angle, side congruent to angle, side. Therefore, BF congruent to CF. BF congruent to or FB congruent to FC. Corresponding sides of congruent. CSCT. Corresponding sides of congruent. This will be congruent to this. They are corresponding sides of congruent. Okay. So we have proved that this is bisecting this line. I hope you understood. Please like it. Also share with your friends and also subscribe. Please. Let's see you in the next lecture.